Hi, welcome to my intermediate English project. Today we'll talk about the second conditional. In a past video, I talked about it, but today I will depend it to start. The second conditional, also called conditional type 2, is a structure used for talking about unreal situation in the present or in the future. This presentation will explain how the second conditional is formed and when to use it. To use it. Um, the structure of the second conditional. In this image, we can see the structure of the second conditional, accompanied by an example. But don't worry, I will explain in the more detail. Second conditional formation is if plus past simple plus wall plus base form. For example, if I were you, it tell here. And structure. Like a first conditional, a second conditional sentence consists of two clauses, an if clause and a main clause. As we can see in the following table, we have if clause is if I have $1 million, and main clause is I will buy a big house. If the if clause comes first, a comma is usually used. If the if clause comes second, there is no need for a comma. As the table says, main clause is I will buy a big house. And if clause, if I had $1 million. We use different verbs formed in each part of a second conditional. If clause is if plus subject plus simple past verb. And main clause is subject plus will plus verb. For not important, note that is simple past form is slightly different from usual in the case of the verb be. Whatever the subject, the verb form is were not was. If I were rich, it would be a big house. Using the second conditional. The second conditional is used to talk about things which are unreal, not true, or not possible in the present or the future, things which don't or won't happen. Example, this. If I were you, I would drive more careful in the rain. Explanation, I am not you. This is unreal. Next, Paula will be sad if Jean left. John will not leave. That's not going to happen. Is explanation. Next, if dogs had wings, they will be able to fly. Explanation, dogs don't have wings. That's impossible. And the importance of the second conditional is the second conditional is used to express the consequence of an early action or situation in the present or future. The situation can be very improbable and completely unrealistic is important. Once you know what is when it is used, the structure and its importance, it will be easier to understand this topic. Remember to put into practice, and thus you will be able to improve. Thanks for your attention. See you in a next video. Bye.